Hi, my name is Tyiesha Andah. I'm the recreation therapist at James Lee and Bailey's Senior Center. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an origami shape of a strawberry. First, you'll need regular printing paper, or you can use origami paper. You'll also need scissors if you're going to use regular printing paper, and you'll need a pen to make the dots on the strawberry. To use this, you just have to fold it into a triangle. And cut this end. So I'm going to use origami paper. To start off, you're going to want to make a triangle. You're going to fold it so it looks like this. And you're going to undo it and fold the opposite ends, creating a different triangle. So now you're going to fold it in half. Open it again and fold it in half in the other direction. And you should have 4 lines. So once you have your lines, you're going to fold it in half into a triangle. And you're going to take one side and bring it to the middle, but make sure your hand is in between the sheets of paper. You're going to raise it to the top and press it down. So it looks like a little diamond. And you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Raise it up, press it down. Next, you're going to want to flip it back up, and you want to make sure the open ends are facing out, because you're going to fold the top layer down. You're not going to fold it all the way down to the bottom, but you're going to make sure there's some gap from the very tip on the bottom. After you get that, you're going to take the one flap up here and bring it down. Notice how I didn't bring it flush to the middle part. You just bring it to the corner like this. Then you're going to do it to the other side. Once you finish that, the next step, you're going to turn it upside down. And you're going to fold the top part facing you into the middle. So take one side and fold it to the middle. And it should look like this. You're going to repeat on the other side. Once you have that, you're going to flip it over and it should look like this. You're going to take the top point and you're just going to fold it down, just like so. So you have your strawberry, and now you want to add your seeds. So you're going to take a pen and just create little dots all over. A fun fact about strawberries is that there's at least 200 seeds in one strawberry. Thank you for joining me on making a strawberry. Please visit our website for more videos like this. Bye!